Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to adjust the speed of an Instagram Reel video. Changing the speed of your Reel video can give it a different look and feel, and it's a great way to add some variety to your content. Follow these simple steps to adjust the speed of your Reel video. First, open up the Instagram app and tap on the plus button in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll to Reel and tap on it. Hey there. Well, now, in the left-hand column, you'll see an option to adjust the speed of your Reel video. You can choose to speed it up or slow it down, depending on your preference. If you want to speed up your video, select the rabbit icon. If you want to slow it down, select the turtle icon. Once you've selected your desired speed, start recording your clip. You'll see that the video is being recorded at the chosen speed. If you want to change the speed of your video while you're recording, simply tap on the speed icon and select a different speed. When you're finished recording your Reel video, click the next button in the bottom right corner. From there, you can add filters, music, and other effects to your Reel. And that's it. Your Reel video will now play at the speed you selected. Adjusting the speed of your Reel video is a great way to add some creativity to your Instagram content and make it stand out from the crowd. One thing to keep in mind is that Reels can only be up to 60 seconds long. So if you're recording a longer video, you may need to split it up into multiple Reels. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content. See you in the next video.